galaxy of learned intellectuals, colleagues, respected teachers, friends, and blooming dear students. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bhardwaj with adverb clause. How to combine two sentences, more than two sentences, into one complex sentence using adverb clause. Adverb clause of effect or result. प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज, एक सिंपल सेंटेंस आपका प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज होगा और दूसरा सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज वो भी सिंपल सेंटेंस हो रहा है. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज में आप एडवर्ब clause of a result, effect or result. Adverb clause of effect, प्रभाव, परिणाम, result. ओके, तो बन जा रहा है, बनेगा कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस. Let me write connectors, subordinate conjunction. They are two in number. So that and such that. Here are connectors and let me use these conjunctions or connectors. Okay, using adverb clause of effect, adverb clause of effect or result. जैसे he is a poor, वो गरीब है. He cannot pay his fees, monthly fees. वो monthly fees, he cannot pay his monthly fees. This is he is poor, simple sentence. He cannot pay his fees, simple sentence, right? Let me combine these two. He is so poor, वह इतना गरीब है कि that he cannot pay his fees. He is so poor. वो इतना गरीब है कि that means here कि he cannot pay his fees. अपनी फीस नहीं चुका सकता. तो so और ये that कंजंक्शन आपका यूज हो गया और ये बन गया आपका एडवर्ब क्लॉज. और he is poor, ये प्रिंसिपल क्लॉज. complex sentence. He is so poor that he cannot pay his fees. This is now a complex sentence, right? complex sentence हो गया. so that का यहाँ प्रयोग देख रहे हैं. बीच में एडजेक्टिव लगा है. कभी कभी एडवर्ब आ जाता है. She is, अब डायरेक्ट लिखते हैं. She is so fat. इसका परिणाम क्या हुआ? रिजल्ट और इफेक्ट that she can't run fast. वो इतना मोटी है कि दौड़ नहीं सकती. so fat, वो इतना मोटी है, ज्यादा मोटी है. परिणाम, रिजल्ट और इफेक्ट, she cannot run fast. तो एडवर्ब क्लॉज showing result or effect and she is fat. ये she is fat, this is now principal clause. तो she से लेकर के fast तक it is now complex sentence, two sentences combined into one. अब देखिए, he is so old, वो बहुत बूढ़ा है। he is so old, बहुत बूढ़ा है। परिणाम, रिजल्ट, that he can hardly walk or stand up. Okay, तो he can hardly, वो इतना बूढ़ा है, तो so and that कैरेक्टर लेके इतना बूढ़ा है कि, so that means कि इतना बूढ़ा है कि he can hardly walk, मुश्किल से वह टहल सकता है, चल सकता है। यहाँ से यहाँ तक आपका this is adverb clause and showing effect or result, and he is old. Okay, ये आपका this is your principal clause. So he is so old that he can hardly walk. It is now complex sentence. So that को आपने देख लिया, such that को देखिए, you behave in such a way that उसका परिणाम आप ऐसे व्यवहार, ऐसे तरीके में व्यवहार करते हैं। यू बिहेव इन सच अ वे, ऐसे तरीके में व्यवहार करते हैं कि दैट कि नन, कोई भी नहीं, रिस्पेक्ट्स यू, आपका व्यवहार इतना खराब है कि कोई सम्मान नहीं देता है। नन रिस्पेक्ट्स यू, दैट, तो सच एंड दैट, none respects you. Now it is adverb clause, and you behave in a way, so this is now principal clause, complex sentence. If you behave in a way, now it is principal clause such that none respects you. ये पोर्शन आपका एडवर्ब क्लॉज, लेकिन सच दैट आपका क्या शो कर रहा है? शोइंग एज रिजल्ट और इफेक्ट, आपके व्यवहार का परिणाम क्या हुआ, रिजल्ट किया हुआ क्या है? नन रिस्पेक्ट्स यू, तो सच दैट नाउ शोज अ रिजल्ट और इफेक्ट। Here is next uses of adverb clause. Adverb clause showing effect or result. How to use adverb clause showing result or effect to combine our sentences into one complex sentence using so that and such that. देखिए, he is such a good man, वह एक बड़ा ऐसा भला आदमी है। गुड मैन, अच्छा भला आदमी, राइट, ही इज सच अ गुड मैन। परिणाम देखिए, दैट सच अ गुड मैन, दैट परिणाम all the villagers respect him, भला होने का रिस्पेक्ट him, yeah, तो all the villagers respect him such that लेकर के, now adverb clause showing a result or effect, and he is a good man, ये now principal clause, इसको ऐसे कर देते हैं, he is a good man, he is a good man, now principal clause or such that वाला portion, all the villagers respect him, this is now adverb clause showing result or effect. अब्दुल कलाम साहब was such an international iconic figure, मैं सब कैप्शन में लिख दिया, iconic figure. कलाम साहब was such an international iconic figure. वो ऐसे अंतर्राष्ट्रीय प्रतिमूर्ति या कह लीजिए विश्व प्रसिद्ध फिगर थे, इंटरनेशनल. that whole of the world loved and honored him. Honored him. परिणाम क्या हुआ कि पूरा विश्व लव प्यार किया, ऑनर सम्मान दिया. कलाम साहब was an international figure, iconic figure. Now principal clause. This is now principal clause. And ये सच है और that लगा है, तो this is now adverb clause, such as adverb clause. Okay, showing a result or effect. Complex sentence. कलाम से लेकर के him तक, this is now complex sentence. It has become complex sentence after combining two sentences, simple sentences into one. The right teachers, अच्छे teachers, the right teachers, okay, are such noble persons or characters, are such noble characters or persons. ऐसे व्यक्तित्व होते हैं, कैरेक्टर होते हैं, चरित्र होते हैं, ऐसे सही टीचर्स, राइट टीचर्स. क्या होता है परिणाम, इफेक्ट, that all the students, उसी पैटर्न पर है, that all the students क्या करते हैं, all the students regard and worship them. So the right teachers are noble characters or persons. Now principal clause, that such that all the students regard and worship him. परिणाम क्या निकला कि सारे विद्यार्थी उसको सम्मान देते हैं, एंड वर्शिप पूजा करते हैं, मीन्स ज्यादा सम्मान देते हैं. Adverb clause showing a result or effect. And in this way, from the right to them, now complex sentence. The whole body, whole structure is a complex sentence. Two sentences combined into one. Two simple sentences combined into one. Using, okay, adverb clause of effect. So that has become now complex sentence. Okay dear, in this way you have learned a lot about the uses of adverb clause showing result or effect. Okay dear, use and practice more and more. Wish you all the best and brightest.